Alright friends, now let's name this again. Previous example, you will discover that the OH was here and now it is here. So in this case, what will be my longest chain in this case? Now if I count this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I make this the longest chain, alright, this is the only OH group attached to this long chain, right? But this is discarded. I told you that a chain starts from one end and ends on the other end without breaking. Don't break the chain. Don't go this way, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, by the time you move this direction, you have broken the chain here. All right, so you don't need to come this way again, you just go straight up. All right, so because my OH is on this axis, is on this part of the chain, and the other OH is on this part of the chain, my chain will go this way, because your OH must be included in the chain. If you have 3 OH in the chain, the 3 OH must be included in your longest chain. Alright, so my longest chain will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Very good. But then what now happens to this? What happens to this other carbons here? So these other carbons are the substituents. Alright, they are my substituents. So substituents does not necessarily need to be on top or at the bottom. It could also be on a straight line whenever the longest chain is not this straight. Okay, now let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 carbons is the longest chain because my OH is attached to that chain, and that is X, right? Hexane, hexyl group. Okay, so now how do I name this now? Just like I said before, I must give my OH a carbon that has a lower number. The carbon attached to the OH must have a lower number. So if I count from here, 1 2 3, this OH would be attached to carbon 3. 4 5 6, this OH will be attached to carbon 6. But if I count down, 1, this OH is attached to 1. 2 3 4, this OH is attached to 4 5 6. So 1 4 is better than 3 6. Do you understand? 1 4 is better than 3 6. So I will say hexane 1,4-diol. Let me write here. Alright, hexane 1,4-diol. But then, how about my substituent? Will I throw this away? No, you won't throw it away. You're also going to name it as part of the compound. This substituent is ethyl 1,2. Ethyl. It is not part of the longest chain. So this is ethyl. But this ethyl now is attached to what carbon? It's attached to this carbon. So what is this ethyl is attached to this carbon. So what is the number of this carbon? So since I'm numbering this way, I will have 1 2 3. This is carbon 3. So this ethyl is attached to carbon 3. So I would have 3 ethyl hexane 1,4-diol. 3 ethyl hexane 1,4-diol. I hope this makes sense. Alright.